Mountain Dew National Motocross Championship as one of the 2 rounds to select the team that is going to represent Uganda in the motocross of African nations that is taking place in August 19th to 21st. We already have a provisional team, but like this was a criteria that we have to include round 5 to seal the team that is going to represent. So round 5 we also use to select or to give a chance to any rider that we had left out, that any rider that feels I can come, win that day, and then be considered or be selected to represent the team. We shall look at that after the performance of such riders are taking place in round 5. And yes, after round 5, we shall be able to publicize the team that is going to represent the country in August. No, eventually the criteria was you're supposed to do all the 5 rounds to be able to be selected. And then it's not only doing 5 rounds, but the performance. As you know, you cannot leave cream the cream aside and you say, after all, we wanted so and so is slow, but because he did 5 rounds, let's take him. No, pace also matters. That's why we've given an opportunity that if there's a rider that did not do the 5 rounds, the 4 rounds, but he's going to take part in the 5th round, and is capable of taking on these ones that have done the 4 rounds, beat them 3 hits, I think he will be considered.
Honorable